Hey, do you remember drawing people like this when you were younger? A bit babyish, right? Wrong. Believe it or not, many top cartoonists and animators still draw matchstick men to help them get action and movement into their cartoons. Look at this. Here's a cartoon of a tennis player, which I think is a bit stiff. There's no energy there, there's no action, there's no movement. Well, here's a great tip. If you draw it first as a moving matchstick man, you can get more action into the cartoon. But the one thing to remember is you must exaggerate the movement. So, okay, take a pencil and decide which way the pen is going to go and really move your pencil in that direction. Watch this, here we go, across there like that. See that quick movement? Now, you use this line to create your matchstick man. So I'm going to put a hand there, and I'm going to put the tennis racket there, like that. Then I'm going to put a foot down at the other end. Then with quick movements, add the other sticks to your moving matchstick man. But don't forget, exaggerate your pencil movement. Watch this. A leg, there it goes, really quickly. An arm, like that. And a head tucked down there. Look at that. And there you have a moving matchstick man, now with lots of movement and more energy. And if you aren't happy with the amount of action in your cartoon and still don't think you've got enough movement into it, throw it away. Just do it again with even more energy. It'll only take you a couple of seconds. In fact, many cartoonists do lots of matchstick men until they get it right. And bear in mind, the more you move your sticks, the more your picks move. Then it's just a case of using your moving matchstick man as a guide to doing your cartoon. So, okay, first I'm just going to fill out the shape of the body, like that. Just get some thickness into these body parts here. Get the leg up there like that. And that leg down there. Just fleshing it out. Get the arm up there. Again, I'm just using quick movements for this. Don't forget the ball on the racket there. Put the racket in. See that? Then hang some clothes on him. So there we go. Put some clothes on there with some crease marks. And put a sleeve in his shirt there. And just flesh out the shape of his fingers. There it is. And maybe some tennis shorts there like that. And you see, I'm still doing it quite quickly. Just to keep that energy, to keep that movement in there. A leg down there like that. And then his tennis trainers. See that? And then leg down here. Again, going quite quickly with this. I'm not pondering on it, not labouring it. And that arm up there. And the hand. And finally, heads down. Look at that. He's just whacked the ball. So there's the head. Just going in that direction. And finally, just to give it a bit more movement, I'll put some whiz lines in there just to show the movement. See that? Oh, and don't forget some whiz lines for the ball too. And there it is, a cartoon with lots of energy and action built from the matchstick man. And it doesn't matter what you want your cartoon character to do. Just quickly do a matchstick man first and exaggerate the movements. Okay, here's another quick one. Watch this. Again, just putting loads of energy into it. Loads of movement. There it is. And there's my bowler. There we go. So matchstick men aren't so babyish after all. Try it yourself. Get some action into your cartoons with moving matchstick men. And the more your sticks move, the more your picks move.
Oh, what a really neat tip. Creating movement in your cartoons with the help of matchstick men. Hey, I've got another way to help a matchstick man move. Buy him a car! Whoa!